Alright guys, Tapswap airdrop is back and they are urging us to get back to work. That an amazing something is cooking that we can't afford to miss. Something massive is cooking in the horizon and they don't really want any of us to miss out of it. Okay, so they urge us to get back to work and continue from where we stopped for those that have joined. And for those that haven't joined, I will still leave the link to Tapswap in the description section of this video so that if it is of your interest, you get on board as well. Okay, so they made this public announcement on their verified Telegram channel and also their verified Twitter handle. So urging us to get back to work and continue our activities, and also make sure that we connect our Ton wallet in the airdrop dashboard, that something great and massive is cooking in the horizon. So that brought us to this particular video, as we want to refresh our memory on Tapswap projects. So if you know you have joined Tapswap months ago and you have abandoned the project like me, it's now high time that we get back to work. Okay, so firstly, you have to get back to work and check the task session. I know a lot of us have a lot of tasks that we should do, so get back to work and make sure you watch all this video and locate the code in YouTube. So the easiest way to go about this is, once you tap on it, you just tap come back, you tap come back, make sure you open all the videos, then give it few minutes. Sorry guys, you go to YouTube and search for the title. So if you really want to get the code for this particular video, you just have to search Tapswap code for make money with freelancing and you will get the code and put. Make sure you use this strategy for all of them and you perform all the tasks. Okay, so check on special as well. You can see that there's a Binance Web3 task that is currently going on, which is $50,000 worth of ton. They are doing giveaway, all right, of $50,000 worth of ton. Hope you guys can see it here. So all you have to do is to create a Binance account, then connect your Tapswap to Binance, then follow Binance on Twitter, that is the Binance Web3, and also follow Tapswap on Twitter, and automatically you've entered for the giveaway. So the requirement is very little. Swap a minimum of $5 between USDT and Ton. All right, so the first 100 users will get $150 worth of Ton, while the remaining 1,400 people will be getting $25 worth of Ton each. Okay, so do well to also participate in this campaign. Is a very amazing one. And also do well to build your Tappy Town, right? So it's high time we get back to our Tappy Town building and unlocking and everything. Okay, so I've already dropped a video earlier on our channel on how to build your Tappy Town. So do well to locate that in our video section. Okay, so and another thing is the most important update that they have for us, which is connecting our Ton wallet in the airdrop session. So you have to make sure that your Ton wallet is visible in the airdrop session. So hope you guys can see where the root connect wallet. If you know you haven't connected your wallet earlier, you click on this place that the root connect wallet for upper session here. You will click on it and check if you have already connected your wallet. If you haven't connected your wallet, you go ahead and do that. So let me quickly connect mine as we proceed to the task. So you have to connect your wallet first before you proceed to the airdrop session to make it visible. Okay, so let me just connect mine, then we'll proceed. All right, so for me, I'm making use of my Telegram wallet. So you can choose either Telegram, or that is either your wallet in Telegram or your Tonkeeper. So you guys can see that my wallet is now connected. So the next thing is to head straight to the airdrop session and view it. Okay, you can see that it's already visible here. This is my wallet. So the next thing I should do is to hit on this place that they wrote submit Ton wallet, so that they will activate it. Beautiful. You submitted address, that is your submitted address. So this is a very crucial part of the airdrop. If you take a look at this airdrop session, you check all the criteria. Firstly, make sure you connect your Ton wallet. So these are the key points, the things that will enhance your airdrop allocation. All right, number of shares, number of taps, your league, Tappy Town achievement. So that's why I say we should go back and build our Tappy Town, complete task, end blocks, and so on and so forth. So do well to get back to Tapswap and level up as we wait for more updates from the team. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming on board. I will see you guys in our next video, and bye for now.